Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2017, on a 17-plate Toyota Aygo X-Clusiv. This is the 1 litre petrol with 5 doors and a 5-speed manual gearbox, finished in cyan blue metallic, exotic, and it's covered just 58,000 miles. So have a good walk around this really smart looking Aygo X-Clusiv, very high spec example of the ever popular Aygo. March 2017 registered, 58,000 miles, 2 owners from new. Current owners had the car since 2020. We got these nice looking 15-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. The colour itself, the cyan blue, which is like a pearl metallic, was a £515 option, but really sets the car off nicely. 5-door model, so you have got that added bit of practicality for a small car. Free to tax, because it's March 2017 registered and not April 2017 registered. It comes under the free tax bracket. If it was a week older and had been registered in the April, it'd be 180, like everything else of that age. So it's one of the last cars you could buy on the road that came under that cheap or free tax bracket. So that's good news. If you are looking at these, obviously just be careful, because some on a 17 plate will be free tax and some on a 17 plate will be £180. So just look into that one yourselves. But this one's certainly free. Lovely level of spec on this exclusive model. You've got keyless entry. As we head inside, full leather interior, in good shape for the mileage as well. Really nice actually. I think it's a good combination, the black and the blue, bits of chrome. Remote central locking, it's keyless start. Electric windows in the front, you got your cup holders, electronically adjustable door mirrors. Up onto the steering wheel, again in good shape. You've got controls for your Bluetooth, you've got your radio controls. Down below, you got your cruise control down there. Automatic lights. Manual handbrake, cup holder at the back. Nice chrome gear stick, 5-speed, like I say. Couple of cup holders. You got your 2 remote keys, bit of storage down there, and then a 12-volt socket, auxiliary input, and USB. We'll start the car up. So foot on the clutch, push button, away we go. 58536 is the mileage, and half a tank of fuel as well. My goodness. We're pushing the boat out. In the glove box, you've got your locking wheel nut set and handbooks. And then back to the infotainment, you've got climate control. Then up onto the infotainment, which is the same as all the others in the range, I think. So you've got DAB digital radio, it's touchscreen of course. Bluetooth for your telephone. You've got a trip computer, and if I put the car into reverse as well, nice big screen reversing camera at the back. So there we go, really nice level of trim for a small car. Obviously they can be really basic, but this is quite luxurious for something of this nature. Into the back, the windows pop out to let some air in. You've got 2 proper seat belts with 2 headrests and ISOFIX for the child seats, so they are 4-seaters. Again, really good condition in the back. And then round to the load space itself. Obviously not the biggest boot in the world, that's not what they're designed for. But you do get a little parcel shelf, split folding rear seats as well, so they do fold down with the little tags. And then the boot space itself, nice and tidy. Quite a deep boot actually. Just, you obviously haven't quite got that length to it. And then underneath you've got your inflation kit. So there we have it. March 2017, Aygo X-Clusiv, 58,000 miles, good service history, 6 recorded, free road tax model, nice low insurance group, 60 miles to the gallon, so really excellent first time cars or commuter tools. Finance is available from less than £150 a month based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT. We'll also be carrying out a service on the car, and it does have 2 keys, along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance group, specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Really good value little car, loaded with extras, cheap to run, free to tax. This one won't be here long at all. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.